Hello everyone. Today we are going to study modal verbs and this is for class 4 and 5. What are modal verbs? What are verbs? Everything we are going to include in this. So let's start. Let's take few examples first. I can speak a little Tamil. He will work late today. You should stop talking. She may come tomorrow. She has forgotten her wallet here. Now in this you can see this can, these highlighted words are helping verbs and underlined verbs are main verbs. So these are helping verbs. So can, will, should, may, has, all these are the helping verbs and the main verb shows what kind of work we are doing. Like we are speaking, working, stop, ruk jao, come or forgotten, bhul jana. So all these are the main verbs and can, will, should, may, has, these are the helping verbs. So now the question is, what are modals? So modals are included in the helping verbs used in special conditions. These are the helping verbs that we use in the special conditions, and you must have seen in the previous examples, modals are always followed by the base form. Base verb will come like can, walk. Fine. So can is your modal and walk is your base verb. So after every modal, the verb will come in the base form. Right? So we have various situation conditions in which we use the modals, like we want to show someone's ability or some necessary is there, permission, request, advice and possibility. So these are the some situation where we use the modals. Most common modals are could, should, would, can, shall, will, may, might, must. What are the different conditions for using them? We will discuss now. The first is someone's ability or inability to do something. If you want to show someone's ability, whether he is able to do some work or not able to do some work, in those situations we use the modals. And which modals we use here? Can, cannot, could. If we are talking about the past, then we will use could. Otherwise we can use can or cannot. Fine. So like Mohini can write poetry, it's her ability. Rani cannot speak Chinese, inability. Veer could speak 7 languages, ability in the past. If you are talking about the past, then you will use could or couldn't, otherwise can or cannot. Next situation is talk about the action which is necessary or not necessary. If something is very necessary, there you are going to use the modals like must, needn't or need. These are used here like you must, आपको करना चाहिए. You must always be on time to the school. You needn't carry the puppy everywhere with you. पपी को हर जगह कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दिस इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. फाइन. नेसेसरी कंडीशंस में वी are going to use must, needn't. Next situation is when you are seeking the permission. If you want permission from somebody, then also you are going to use it. Could, can and may, these are the modals which we use in this situation. For example, can I borrow your pen? क्या मैं आपका पेन उधार ले सकता हूँ? Could we go home now? May I sit down please? When there is formal and polite permission, you are seeking for formal and polite. Like you are in school or in the office, there you are asking for the permission, then you are using may. Otherwise you can use can or could. Give permission. So seeking a permission you have seen, asking for the permission. Next is giving the permission. You can go home. You may go home. Again, if it is more formal or polite, then you are going to use may instead of can. Next situation is for the request. Could I have your number? Would you pass the salt please? Can you help me? So these are the situation where you are requesting somebody for the help. Fine. So in those situation also, could, would, can, these are the models that we are going to use most frequently. Next situation is when you give advice or suggestion. For example, you should go by train. We could eat out today. Shall we go by night train? So here you are giving some advice like you should go by train. आपको ट्रेन से जाना चाहिए. Shall we go by the night train? These are the suggestions or advices given. Next situation is when you are making some offers. Can I help you? Shall I help you with the luggage? So these are the offers that you are giving to somebody. Fine. So when you are offering something, कुछ किसी को offer कर रहे हो, then also you use can and shall. And the last one is possibility. When there is some possibility, like they could have come before us. We may win the prize. हम आज प्राइज जीत सकते हैं. Possibility है कि जीत सकते हैं. They might give us a call tonight. When there is a possibility in the present, like they might give us a call tonight. So this is the present possibility. आज वो हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं. Fill in the blanks with the correct models that we are going to take up. First one, dash, I borrow your dictionary. So here, can I borrow? Can I borrow your dictionary? Next is dash, I go with Kiran to the school concert. So here there is a politeness, so we will take may. May I go with Kiran to the school concert? Next one, dash, you lend me your pencil. So can you lend me your pencil? Can you lend me your pencil? Next is hello. Dash, I speak to Mr. Roy please. Here also you can take can. Can I speak to Mr. Roy please? Next, you dash talk while the examination is on. You should not. You should not talk while examination is on. आपको बात नहीं करनी चाहिए जब examination चल रहा हो. Now the last one is dash, I sit beside her please. Now what will come here? May I sit beside her please? Fine. So these were the few examples of models